Hi everyone, welcome to Morel Design. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sun Pendant. It's a pendant design that I first created when I started up on Shapeways, and I recently had it produced in raw brass. I really love the detail on it, the smoothness of it, and we're going to take a look at how we can put it on a jump ring or a lanyard cord. All right, so here we go. This is the Sun Pendant. It's roughly 3/4 inch around, or almost 2 centimeters in diameter, almost a 1/2 millimeter thick. So let's get the autofocus on here. There we go. So some polished brass. I think the details came out great. Started off with an internal design, kind of like a sunburst pattern, and then some triangles. And then some diamonds around the edges, and then I had to put a 2 millimeter hole for a jump ring, and it's concave. That was kind of interesting portion of the design to give it kind of like a dome shape, and also reduces the amount of material that people have to buy that's not really a value add. I wanted to keep the dome shape, but you don't really need a straight back with all that extra material either. So let's take a look at putting a jump ring on it. So I get jump rings from my local craft store, AC Moore, Michaels, Joann Fabrics, and I can put on a chain. Like so, although I need to crimp that top part. It's better when you have two. There we go. It's better when you have two of them. So, or if you have just cord, let's take this off. So here's some black nylon cord I got from, I believe, Michaels. It's like 1 millimeter thick, so I can actually, since it's 1 millimeter thick, I can double it up. Kind of pinch the end so you get kind of like a little loop. And push it through a little loop going through it. And just make a little cow hitch. And then voila, you have plenty of space on your nylon cord for beads or whatever, what have you. That's how it looks. All right. Let me know what you think. If you like the raw brass, you let me know, and please like and subscribe. I'm looking to be doing reviews of all the items that I create up on Shapeways. So if you'd like to stay in touch and see which ones I do next, hit the subscribe button and follow me on social media. All right. Thanks. Bye.